wind them up.
Yeah, let me go grab the other one.
I just wish I could.
What are you gonna do with your gold sponge?
What?
You like this? Oh.
No, don't take a picture of me.